School vision. Perseverance, seeing the finish line and having the strength to reach it. Vision for tomorrow. A vision statement sets a goal for the future of a school that is data driven and involves all stakeholders. It is a road to the future. A vision is important. It measures student outcomes and improvements in the school culture and learning environment. This is data driven. Employ absolute and value added measurements. This is an example of cooperative monitoring. Sets the bar high. It's meaningful improvement within 2 to 3 years. This is focused goals. Not just opinions, facts. Improve relationships within the schoolhouse. This is essential for success. Inherent isolation of teachers. That's traditional schools according to DeFore. We're trying to move away from this outlook. All stakeholders in a vision. There is the administrator, teacher, students, and community. All stakeholders must work as a team. Administration. An administrator decides and designs the path that will be used for the vision creation process. They are also the visible and philosophical leader of the school. An administrator helps develop and maintain the implementation of the vision. They are the school's leader. They are looked to by the parents and the community. Effective educational leaders help their school develop or endorse vision that embody the best thinking about teaching and learning. School leaders inspire others to reach for ambitious goals. Gabrielle and Farmer. Roles of an administrator. Set forth the initial beginning of the vision design. Expectations and the process are presented. Facilitator at all levels of development. Develop teacher relationships. Teachers. Teachers are the day-to-day implementers of the vision. They have direct contact with the students. Their voice must be heard in order to have buy-in, consistency, and longevity. Teachers need to be in every part of the development process. Adult relationships define all relationships within your school culture. We must be able to work together for a common goal. Roles of teachers. Give opinions based on experience. Offer suggestions, modify and adjust, collaborate, implement and maintain continuous focus on the vision, and develop relationships with your administrator and your colleagues. Students. This is more involving middle school and high school age students. They need to have ownership in what's developing. They can also offer insight to student thoughts and issues within the process from those that will have direct impact. Students' roles, participation, buy-in, suggestions on motivation and intervention. For students, it must be the best thing I ever did was believing in me. Community members. These are stakeholders that have more of a social impact. If the community buys in and supports a program, they are present both physically and help and financially. If everyone in a community believes in a vision, students will have consistent reinforcement. Community members' roles: they support and encouragement, fundraising, excitement and motivation, perception from the outside in. Parent surveys: keep the surveys simple and to the point. Gauge parent attitude toward their child's current and future academic status. Examine parents' input on what is needed to raise achievement. Methods for survey distribution: email, student home in folders or as a paper copy. Be aware of multicultural language barriers and disabilities. PTSO and school social media outlets help distribute. Local businesses help get the word out through available forms and announcement advertising. Steps of developing a vision statement. Administration establishes a vision development analyzing committee. This group looks at data and comes up with basic ideas toward a vision. Members of all stakeholder groups are represented. This is data-driven. After an administrator introduces the purpose of the vision statement process, the committee presents to the staff thoughts and ideas based on data to support their statement. Teachers have a chance at this point to discuss openly and be involved directly. Offer ideas that need to be part or not part of the vision. They have insight from interaction with the students directly. They offer the personal aspect. The vision committee takes positive, negatives, and suggestions from the teachers and reconvenes and comes up with a final vision statement. The vision is distributed around the school and the community in many forms. Some examples are student art representing the vision, posters with vision statement in an eye-catching manner, and social media push out on various platforms. Email and paper copies need to be distributed to allow for everyone to be aware as well. Students are taught and reinforce the vision statement and its meaning consistently, primarily at school, but also at home and in the community. To keep it relevant over time, it can be celebrated in assemblies, videos, and rewards. Assessment. Assessment should be done at the classroom level daily. The teacher is there monitoring students and evaluating their progress toward the vision. According to Lean, frequent meetings are essential in the vision process. This is an opportunity to collaborate and analyze. This should be done as an entire staff and vision committee both. Finally, quarterly, semi-annual, and annual evaluations. These evaluations are data that is acquired through testing, discipline reports, and progress reports. Culture and climate. The development of a culture and climate that are positive, cooperative, and enthusiastic lead to continued efforts and the drive to accomplish at a high level, knowing that no matter the obstacle, you are supported and believed in. With the breaking of traditional educator roles and being vested, everyone can work toward the vision and witness success. The vision is the school's foundation. By bringing all stakeholders to a focused goal and ambition, the ability to sharpen focus is enhanced through a vision. Everyone can work together at every level of development and implementation for overall school high achievement.